Today is big day. I got my first shower in 10 days after skin removal surgery. So sorry for being in pajamas, but super happy that I am here in front of you and freshly clean. Couldn't blow dry the hair, but the hair got washed. So I'm excited. I'm gonna do a Sephora Gratis haul with you. So let's jump into it. I wanna start first with probably the only thing I'm probably gonna actually do a try on, and that's the Benefit Pocket Pal. This just came out. So this is their famous Benetint lip stain that has been like their OG for years. And then it's added with a clear gloss. So this, it comes in 3 shades, and this is the original rose shade. All right, so this is a lip stain you can use on your lips, you can use it on your cheeks, and it is a stain. So Benetint has been staining before staining was a thing. And staining is all the rage right now, but Benetint started it. So let's give that a second. And you can see it just gives like a nice wash of color. And then the other side is just a gloss. It feels really nice on the lips. I love the fact that you can have like a travel stain with you and lip gloss in one. So this is going in my purse. I'm excited that Benefit took the time to revamp something that has always been super popular for them. Okay, so let's move on. The next thing, I did receive a couple foundations. This is the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Balancing and Perfecting Foundation. This foundation has a lot of claims. This is what it says. Weightless, versatile foundation for all skin types, ages, and concerns. Available in 40 shades. It just came out. But it works for all skin types. So what it says it's doing is for dry skin, it's giving you 24-hour hydration. For oily skin, it's giving you long-lasting shine control. For mature skin, it's visibly smoothing fine lines. So it's a pump, that's a win. It's glass, that's a win. Let's see what the consistency is like. And so you can see it's not super runny. So when I buff it out, it really is a nice texture. I haven't tried this on my skin yet. As we know, I call myself a raisin. I have very dry skin, but I will be honest, this is sitting really nice on my hand. So I'm excited to try this. I had immediately thought I was going to gift this because I thought it would be too drying for me, but retains moisture and visibly smooths skin with hyaluronic acid and peptides. Comforts with blueberry oil, visibly tightens pores with niacinamide, and soothes with cherry flower extract. That really melted right into my skin. And talk about a blind color choice for me with 40 choices. I did good. Okay, moving on. This brand, Sophie Pavitt, this brand is known for being acne-safe ingredients. So this is their Skin Jelly Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And as soon as I see oil-free, I typically just steer away from it because I need all the oils and moisturizers. So I would go for more of a rich moisturizer. So I will gift this or give this to my husband who is acne prone. But it's a lightweight gel. It's a dewy finish, but it's also formulated for blemish and acne prone skin. Okay, so let's see what the consistency looks like. So you can see it is a gel and it's very soft, goes right into the skin, very comforting. I smell no fragrance. Next up, let's do, I'm gonna say it's AKT. So this is the deodorant balm by AKT. And as someone who has had skin surgery on their arms and cannot use deodorant, yay, I'm looking at this longingly. So it's a proprietary blend of natural plant and mineral powders which rest invisibly on the skin to absorb odors and natural perspiration without blocking sweat glands. All right, so this is a natural deodorant. I'm not gonna get to be able to test this. It needs to be pierced. I did not pierce it, but these are amber, violet, and tonka. These do come in different scents. So we'll give that a try when I can. One of my favorite brands is Way. And this is the Way leave-in conditioner in St. Bart scent. The thing, St. Bart scent is dragon fruit, orange blossom, tuberose, and milk. It is such a lovely scent. Like as soon as you smell it, you know it's Way. It's like one of their signature scents. This is detangling frizz fighting, heat protectant. It is a little spray, so you'll see it's a nice mister. It smells amazing. I'm gonna spray some on my hair just to give my hair almost like a hair mist, fragrance mist, because I'm not doing anything with my hair right now. This is air dried right out of the shower. But that did make me feel human for a second, so thank you, Way. Next up, and one of the most popular skin tints out there, this is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. This is in the shade 2. It's a sheer to light coverage. I wouldn't use this if you were oily. This is right up my alley. You can see it on the skin. I'll give it a little more. I don't have to hide a lot of blemishes, so this is great for me. I don't need a lot of coverage, but to give that all over glow, that's how it melted into my skin. You can see it next to the Makeup Forever. It is a little, coming up a little yellowish on my camera, but also that can totally be buffed out. So it definitely is the right shade, just maybe not the right tone. So that is Yummy Skin Tint. I will definitely be putting that into the rotation. This packaging is, you can't ask for better. Fenty Beauty. So this is their Sunstalker Souffle in Sugar Cookie 01. So this is that putty texture. I've played with this at the store. This is that putty texture where you could take it out like Play-Doh, mold it all around, and then put it back. This is the lightest color, and I probably should have gone up, but we'll try it. So I'm gonna put it right on my hand where I have 2 different foundations right now, so you can see what it looks like. It's a pretty color. It's a nice warm, not too orange, definitely blendable. Yeah, this is right up my alley. A couple more items. Next up, we have the Amika the Wizard. So this is a primer. It's a detangling primer. Let me see, do I have anything on this? Yeah, so this is a heat protectant, main ingredient of squalane. Signature Amika scent. I love this product. If you're looking for a detangler and a heat protectant in one, absolutely grab this. I'll fly through this one. This is the Haus Labs Atomic Shake Lip Lacquer. This is that 12-hour wear lip lacquer that I tried in Dusty Rose a couple weeks back. So we know that it works and we know that I like it. Let's see what this color reveals. So this is Ruby. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'm never gonna get that off my hand. That is so stunning. So that's gonna be great for Valentine's Day. That's a nice like blue-red lip for the holidays, for a 12-hour wear and still getting, look at that gloss, but it's a 12-hour wear. Amazing. And then my final item is the Your Devotion Eau de Parfum Intense. So this is a new perfume that just came out. Let's give it a sniff. I have nothing on. First smell, wow. Dolce & Gabbana, you did well. Orange Blossom, Sicilian Melon, and Vanilla Milk are what I wrote down. I absolutely smell, I'm not typically a melon person, but it's not the first note you smell. You do smell the orange and you do smell like the melon and vanilla together. It's really nice and it's gonna be great to sit on the couch with. So that is the June Gratis for Sephora. I'm excited let's see, my top 3. I have eyed this up and had this on my want to buy list forever. Now that I've smelled this, I'm so happy I own it. And I'm most pleasantly surprised about this. So shocking, 2 foundations and a perfume are my 3 most excited things to come out of this haul. All right, don't forget to wear your sunscreen.